Hello everyone, this is May and welcome to my channel. Hello to my old friends and hello to my new ones. Okay, and thank you for joining me again. This is IELTS in Burmese with me Piputu. But in this video, I'm going to speak in English, especially for my international friends and those who are going to sit for the IELTS exam. So even if you are Burmese, as you are going to sit for the exam, I want you to, get used to listening to English pronunciation. So let's get started. This time, here comes the question about your hometown. Where's your hometown? What do you like about your hometown? Is it a good place? How long have you been living there? Do you like living there? Is there anything you dislike about it? Okay. Speaking of hometown, what types of vocabularies comes to your mind? As usual, you have to think of 4 speaking criteria. The first one is fluency and coherence. Okay. Oh, wait. Fluency. Fluency and coherence. So, what types of answers will you give? Is it about your hometown? So, for me, I'm from Yangon, Myanmar. I'm from Yangon, which used to be the capital city of Myanmar. My city is quite hustle bustle, and the area is vibrant and lively. It's also kind of a commercial hub of our country. So I like living in Yangon, even though sometimes I want some peace and tranquility. So, did you hear what I was talking about? Yeah, I'm talking about the hometown by using vocabularies and, grammar. So, my answer is fluent and also coherent. And I pay attention to good pronunciation, I mean proper and correct pronunciation, and then lexical resource. I'm going to tell you again and again about the speaking criteria because you are going to sit for an exam. So you must know what the criteria examiners are looking for. That's why I will remind you again and again in my each and every video about the criteria. So lexical resource, okay, vocabulary. And last but not least, be aware of grammar. Okay, so as I have answered, I said I am living in Yangon, which used to be the capital city of Myanmar. Yeah, because it's not a capital anymore. Naypyidaw becomes capital. So Yangon used to be the capital city of Myanmar, and the area is what did I say? Wait, what did I say? The area is hustle and bustle. The city is hustle and bustle. Here I'm using these words with the silent sound of T. We do not pronounce hustle. We pronounce hustle and bustle. So it means that I know the binomials. This is what we call binomials. It is mostly used by native speakers. So the city is hustle and bustle. It means the city is busy, vibrant, lively. Okay. So the city is hustle and bustle, and it is also a commercial hub. It means that most of the industries, factories are situated in this area, so it's kind of a commercial hub. You can run business. It's easy to start your own business. There are a lot of job opportunities here, so this is what we call commercial hub. Commercial means business economy, so it's kind of a commercial hub of the city of the country. So I like it. Although sometimes I want to feel I want to feel peace and tranquility. Peace and tranquility. So here I'm also using grammar. So I hope you know what I mean. Now I'm using grammar. I am living present continuous, which used to be, oh, come on. I am living, this is present continuous, which used to be talking about past. Okay, and I can also add one more. I was born and bred here. Born and bred here. Okay, born and bred here. It means I was born here and I grew up here. I was born and bred here. I use past passive and passive form, and born and bred, another kind of binomial, another kind of collocation. Okay, I was born and bred here. The city is hustle and bustle. I'm using some lexical resource, advanced lexical resource. Instead of saying busy, I use vibrant. It's vibrant and lively, the same as busy, the same as hustle and bustle, but I don't want to repeat the similar meaning, the same words for similar meanings. So I use different vocabularies. It means that I am showing the lexical resource to get higher band score. Okay, it's also a commercial hub. I am also using the articles very correctly, in the correct way. It is also a commercial hub. Okay, and things like that. And I also use although for compare and contrast and to make it complex sentence. And peace and tranquility, I am using another vocabularies, lexical resource. So this is what I'm talking about. You need to meet 4 speaking criteria to get higher band score. And well, now it's your turn. So please don't hesitate to leave comments in the comment section, and I am going to come and check each and every comment and make it better to get higher band score. So please leave comments about your hometown and the things you like about your hometown. Do you think it is a good place for young people? Speaking of it, I'm afraid to say that my area is not a good place for young people anymore. It used to be, because Yangon could provide a lot of job opportunities, better healthcare service, and better education system in the past. But now, according to the political situation, even people from Yangon move to another country. They try to migrate to another area. So it's not a good place for young people anymore, I'm afraid. But it used to be. So how about your area? How long have you been living there? Well, I was born and bred here, so I have been living here for the whole life. Do you like living there? Yes, I have a great attachment to it because this is my native town overall. So I like it. And I want to make it better. I want to make it a better place, a more peaceful area, fewer crime rates. This is what I wish for my city now. And do you like living there? Well, yes and no. Because as I have already mentioned before, because of the political situation, most of the things are not stable for the time being. But I have my home, I have families, I am used to living in that harmony. Here I'm using another grammar. I am used to living in this harmony. I am used to living. It means I am accustomed to. I am accustomed to do so. I am accustomed to. I am accustomed to doing so. Yeah, things like that. So I'm using another grammar pattern. Is there anything you dislike about it? Yes. For the time being, there are a lot of, increasing. There is an increasing crime rate because rules and regulations are not as strict as before. Yeah, here I'm using another grammar as adjective as. Okay. The rules and regulations are not as strict as before, so it's not very safe to live here. And the pollution is getting worse. Yeah, the pollution is getting worse. I'm using another grammar. It is getting plus adjective. The pollution is getting worse. The pollution is getting worse. Okay. So these are the things I want to talk about my hometown. And let me see your answer about your hometown. Best of luck for your exam, and I'm looking forward to checking yours in the comment section, okay? So please don't hesitate to leave comments. If you find this video interesting and helpful, especially for IELTS candidates, please like and share the video with your friends. So see you in the next video. Thank you.